sarvapadhi vinirmuktam tatparatena nirmalam. That is purification. When we become free from this designation. Then Rishikena Rishikesha Sevanam Bhakti. And when we are free from this, therefore bhakti actually begins after liberation. Bhakti is not nidvitta tarasai rupa giyamana. Nidvitta, one who has ceased Trishna. Trishna means aspiration. We have got so many aspirations. So, this transcendental life or chanting of Hare Krishna is meant for the liberated person.